Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on trig integration, taken from the 2019 IEB Paper 1. Now whenever you're a little bit stuck on these questions, go to your formula sheet for some inspiration. And often what we are looking for is a product of a function and its derivative. And on our formula sheet, we can see there's a relationship between cot and cosec. The derivative of cot is minus cosec squared. Okay, so we can use that here. Now, some people can do these without a substitution, but I think that a substitution makes it easier to see where the different parts come from. So I'm going to say let cot x equal u, which means my derivative of u with respect to x, in other words, my derivative of cot x is minus cosec squared x. So now I can make that substitution. I can say I've got the integral of u squared du, and my du is minus cosec squared x dx. So I've substituted du in the place of the cosec squared x and the dx, but what I'm left with is this minus. So I've got to compensate for that. So then I can use a standard integral. Add 1 to the exponent, divide by the exponent, add the constant of integration. But my question wasn't u, it was cot x. So I need to substitute back minus cot cubed x over 3 plus my constant of integration. So sometimes this sort of substitution can make it easier to see a product of a function times its derivative. Even if that function needs to have a power, then the substitution can work quite nicely. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.